this video, I'm gonna share with you the core of what it means to be a human. Before that, 7 years back, I got diagnosed with cancer. And my lifestyle before was drinking, partying. Like every man who's in his 20s was drinking. I thought that life is over there. So I was trying to accomplish everything there. Chasing money, chasing girls, chasing drinks, chasing drugs. Chasing. And the recent 5 years, I started focusing on myself, trying to understand what it means to be a human, to be fully alive, and I shift inside. I ran my first marathon barefoot, and then I ran another, and I ran around 10 marathon barefoot, and then I started running ultras. I ran 50K, 63K, and I ran 105 kilometers barefoot in 12 hours. I set also a world record. My point is telling you this, it's not about any of those titles. It's to understand what it means to be a human. What does it mean to have this body, this mind, this intellect? So in this video, I'm just gonna remind you what it means to be a fucking human. If you'd like to understand and know in depth how it changed my life, I share everything in my book. You can buy your copy anywhere in the world, the link in bio. First and foremost, one of the most important aspects is to sleep. Our circadian rhythm, our species is meant to sleep at night and wake up in the morning. I know you don't want to hear this, but our hormones, melatonin, our circadian rhythm, everything goes the best at night. Organs, immune system, all they recover when we're sleeping between 12 and 4 a.m. So, it's a personal choice. You want to do this or you want to do that. You want to feel the best or you just want to spend time at night. And honestly, the nights are useless because all what I've been doing at night was smoking joints, going out with girls, drinking and partying. All what I've been doing at night, removed all that, smoking joints, no need and no purpose with girls to stay at night. Drink. The morning has much more for me been doing at night. Two, I wake up and I run. Drinking. As soon as I wake up, our minds wake up, not the body. The body needs to move to wake up. And because we misunderstand the importance of moving as soon as we wake up, now we have anxiety, stress, all those mental health that we never knew it existed. Yes, because we're not going by our law of our nature to move. And I love running and running barefoot to become primate, bro. I go and run on the streets barefoot, breathing the air, watching the sun coming out. You know how it affects all my life? Even mentally, it takes me to a new level. Serotonin level are high, dopamine. And I approach the day with the first thing doing is achieving a goal. If I start the day achieving the first goal, I have more potential to achieve a lot more in the day. So baby, wake up and run, man. Nowadays, with this, we are seeing information in one day as much as we used to watch in 1 year. Imagine how it affects our brain. And for us to keep on waking up and scrolling, it kills us alive. Our dopamine level drops because you want something that's stimulating. There's nothing in life is stimulating as much as our phone or TV or a video game. That's why it's very important for us, bro. Whenever we wake up early, we go for a run, we sit, and we breathe and meditate. What does it mean to meditate? It doesn't mean anything, bro. It's just sit and be bored on purpose. Boredom is one of the most important benefits for our fucking brain. So if you want to escape it, you can escape it as much as you can, but you're going to see that your mind is going right and left. As soon as you start to learn and to reflect and meditate, to sit in peace, at least for 10-15 minutes a day, you're going to reflect so much on the day. You're going to approach the day in so much peace. That's what it means to be a human. We're never meant to acquire that amount of knowledge. You don't need all this information anyway. And one of the most important things that people say, I lost meaning in life. There's nothing that is bringing me that much achievement and joy. Of course, because you're taking all the fake stuff, all the instant dopamine hits from the outside. Unless you turn it on the inside, is when a walk gives a lot of meaning, bro. It's that simple. Life is that simple. You turn it on the inside. And one thing that we forgot so much is this. Fucking smile, man. We walk into another human. We don't look at the other human as if he doesn't exist and we don't exist. We never lived by ourselves. We're not a species that lives individually. We're not an eagle. Even eagle will live in tribe. We are a species that lives in tribe, in community, in societies. So how can you approach this with anger or closing your shoulders? Give a fucking smile, man. When you go down to the building, smile to the security guy, to the guy who's cleaning the road. Smile to anyone, bro. You know when you smile to someone, who's the first one smiling? It's fucking you, man. When you start approaching the day, start approaching life with a smile, you think your problem will still have that much power over you? Yes, you're gonna have challenges as much as before. Yes, it's gonna be hard, but you're gonna approach it with a better way. Fucking smile, man. Yes, it's gonna... If I ask you a question, what's your purpose in life? You will tell me, I want to give people, I want to help people. Of course, that's your purpose, that's my purpose, and that's every fucking purpose, is to give, man. So however you can give, give. You want to help your mom with the dishes, help your mom with the dishes, that's giving. You want to give your friend a hand moving his house, give him a hand. You want to help someone filming something. You want to help someone for a walk. You want to help someone in any way possible, financially, mentally, spiritually, however you can. Just fucking give. When you give is when you're telling life and the word that I'm ready to receive. Whatever you want in life, first give it and it will come back to you. And giving is way more simple than you think. Sometimes all you need is to give someone an ear, your close friend, for him to talk and let go of what's on his chest. When giving comes from the heart, it is you who's gonna feel so rich. No one else. Let go of what's on his chest. And the most important, it is you who's gonna feel uncomfortable things. Challenge yourself. Go do a new adventure, a new journey. Meet new people. Travel to a new world. Go out there, man. Book this flight that you always wanted to book. Book this experience that you always wanted to book. Learn free diving. Whatever you want, try. Find a way to go and do them. That's when experiencing life become endless. Whenever you're learning new things, experiencing new things, you're growing, bro. And look at a tree. A tree will keep on growing as much as it can. Us humans, we are the only species who says, I don't feel like it today. Of course, you're not gonna feel 100% every day, but whenever you can, push yourself. Go out there, set crazy goals and go do them. I said I wanna meet Sadhguru a year ago and I worked for it for a year. And then I met him. Regardless if you like Sadhguru or not, it's not about Sadhguru, it's about the goal that I put in my mind and how much it stretched me for me to reach it. That's what I want from you, bro. I talk in more details about this point in my book. You can get your own copy, the link in bio. I'm proud of you to watch the video so far because nowadays we lost a lot of meaning. A lot of people are now transgender. Are they a dog or where the fuck are you, man? We're humans. Do you know what it means to be a human? It's to smile, to give, to explore life, to explore this experience, to enjoy this experience because one day we're gonna die, that's for sure. So while we're here, do as much as you can, give as much as you can, live as much as you can.
I want to live because I'm alive. Do you know what it means to be alive? To give, to talk, to love, to share whatever you want, to push yourself.
And trust me, before skydiving, before traveling, before finding your best half, before any of those, find yourself, man. Feel good about yourself. That's the purpose of every day, is to feel the best you can every fucking day. Come back to the roots, move the body, breathe, talk with other people, share opinion, talk positive, be grateful. All those simple things that everyone talks about. Yes, I'm reminding you of them because that's what it means to be a human. So go ahead, find here and do your best, be uncomfortable, and always chase what makes you feel alive. Let's fucking live, baby.